Welcome, amazing ladies and gorgeous women, to my new video. In today's video, we are excited to have you join us once again as we delve into the world of fantastic pixie haircut ideas for women. In this video, you will enjoy the visual display of amazing pixelate ideas that will leave you in a way. From beautiful pixie haircuts to luxurious transformations, we have got a variety of stunning styles to inspire your next adventure. So without further ado, let's dive into the magic of pixie hair. Let's explore the captivating freedom of hairstyles. Today we have a special treat for you as we delve into the fascinating world of pixie haircuts. The timeless and versatile option for women who want to make a bold fashion statement with their hair. In this video, we will showcase a too much of pixie haircut ideas that will blow your mind. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed. Get ready to be amazed by the incredible variety of pixie hairstyles that we have in store for you. From short pixie cuts to chic styles, we have something for everyone. Pixie haircuts are known for their ability to bring out the best features of a person's face and exude confidence and individuality. Whether you prefer a classic pixie or a modern twist on styling, you will find plenty of inspiration here. As you watch this video, you will be amazed at the activity of pixie cuts. We will be showcasing various types of pixie cuts. Freestyle offers a unique and beautiful look, allowing you to express your personality and style. Whether you have fine, thick, curly, or even straight hair, there's a pixie haircut that will suit you perfectly. One of the most exciting features of this video is witnessing the incredible transformations that can be achieved through a pixie cut. We will feature real life women who have undergone stunning makeovers, going from long locks to pixie cuts. These transformations are a testament to the power of haircuts to enhance appearance and boost self-confidence. We will explore the pixie hairstyles that have taken the world by storm. We will delve into the latest trend in pixie haircuts and give you the inspiration you need to rock these styles like a star. Prepare to be amazed at the beauty and versatility of these pixie cuts. While pixie haircuts themselves are captivating, We also want to draw your attention to the fascinating color contrast and creative design that can be incorporated into a picky hairstyle. Whether you go for a natural color, vibrant highlights, or even bold shades, the possibilities are endless. We will be showcasing stunning examples of pixie cuts that radiate sophistication. You will also be mesmerized by the cooperation of the color combinations that add depth and dimension to your hair. The creative color options can really elevate your pixie haircut and look a bold fashion style. Thank you once again for joining us on this adventure. Always remember you are essentially beautiful and with the perfect style, you possess the power to conquer the world. We hope you're enjoying this video so far. If you find any particular pixie haircut or transformation that catch your eye, feel free to let me know in the comment box. Your feedback is important to us and help us share our content with our preferences. Before we wrap up this video, we had like to express our heartfelt gratitude to all of you, our amazing viewers, your constant support means a lot to us, and we are thankful for each and every one of you. Remember to subscribe to our channel and create the notification bell so you never miss out on this exciting content. We are committed to bring you the latest trends, tips, and inspiration to help you rock your pixie look. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care, stay stylish.